From a ferryboat captain to America's railroad king, this is the story of Cornelius Vanderbilt. Born in 1794 to a poor family in Staten Island, Vanderbilt started working at just 11 years old, ferrying passengers across New York Harbor. By his 20s, he dominated the ferry business, earning the nickname Commodore, and he didn't stop there. He shifted to the booming railroad industry, creating one of the most powerful transportation empires in American history. When he died in 1877, Vanderbilt was worth over $100 million, the equivalent of billions today, and left behind a dynasty that shaped New York City. From humble beginnings to controlling America's rails, Cornelius Vanderbilt proved that vision and persistence can change your destiny. Subscribe and like for more stories of history's richest minds.